Welcome. Today, we're going to be making your daddy's favorite regular old drip coffee. A classic coffee preparation that 45% of Americans do on a daily basis. Let's get it to 50. First, we must find a wild bag of coffee, preferably ours, SpanishLeatherCoffee.com. Then, grab a scale from the dark corner that you keep your coffee equipment in. Oh, is that just me? Measure out 30 grams of coffee, or 6 tablespoons if you lost your scale. Or I guess 31.2 grams. Ooh, you're playing a dangerous game shaking that like that. Oh, lost one. Told you. Let's grind it. We want something along the lines of a coarse-medium grind. That doesn't really make sense, so look at this picture. We're making 30 grams of coffee, so we'll need 540 milliliters of water. That's a 1 to 18 coffee water ratio. It's about 2.5 cups. Let's add a paper filter to our coffee machine, and if you're like me and have the wrong size filter, fiddle around with it to make it fit. Add the coffee to the filter. Shake that coffee to level it out if you're feeling frisky. Now, the moment that we've been waiting for. Pressing the start button. Oh, yeah! Excuse me, Billy, we're trying to do a video. And now we have a pot of coffee. Grab your favorite mug and pour in sexy slow motion. Well, gang, we've made it to the end. Steaming cup of joe in hand. Ooh, ready to tackle that day ahead of us. Huh? What? It's 2 p.m. Gotta go.